First, open Leonardo AI in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you want to use Leonardo AI step by step, start by understanding the basic workflow from beginning to end. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Take a moment to look through the available tools and find the image generation feature. Click into the image generation area and start with a simple idea. In the prompt box, describe what you want Leonardo AI to create. Include the main subject, environment, lighting, composition, and visual style. For example, you could write a prompt describing a realistic mountain landscape at sunrise, with snow-covered peaks, soft golden light, detailed clouds, and cinematic photography. Next, review the available generation settings. Depending on your current Leonardo AI account and interface, you may be able to choose different models, image dimensions, aspect ratios, and other creative settings. Select the options that fit your project and start generating. When Leonardo AI finishes, review the generated images carefully. Choose the result that best matches your idea. If none of the images are suitable, improve your prompt and generate another set. Once you have a good image, explore the available editing options. You may be able to modify parts of the image, remove or replace elements, improve the image, or upscale it depending on the tools currently available to your account. After making your final adjustments, review the image carefully. Check important details such as faces, hands, objects, text, lighting, and proportions. When everything looks good, save or download the final image using the available options. Finally, organize your finished files so you can easily find them later. By following this workflow, you can move from a simple idea to a finished AI-generated image while gradually learning the different tools Leonardo AI provides.